Welcome to Randy's Griddle. This is a channel that's all about the griddle. So if you would really love to help this channel out, please consider subscribing. I think that the button's down there somewhere. And if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. And share us with your friends if you like. And if you can leave a comment, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Today what we're going to do is we're making grilled cheese sandwiches, and not just a plain grilled American cheese, which is still good, but we got some nice ingredients and we're going to check that out. So let's check out the ingredients. Okay, so for the first sandwich is going to be a pizza grilled cheese. So we got some nice pizza sauce, and we got some pepperoni and mozzarella cheese. And then the second one is going to be, and our second sandwich is going to be some salami and provolone cheese. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to do the pizza grilled cheese first. So first thing we need some butter on our bread. There's one. There's two. And this is good sourdough bread, so that should make a fantastic sandwich. Okay, so for the pizza one, we're going to put some sauce. Okay, so put some sauce down. And let's go cheese next. There's mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle of Italian seasoning. And some pepperoni. Can't have pizza without pepperoni, I guess. Okay. Now for the next one. Okay, so let's get started on the salami and provolone. We're going to lay down 2 slices of cheese. We're going to go with 3 slices of salami. And just a very light sprinkle of red pepper. And then we're going to finish topping it off with 2 more slices of cheese. Okay, that should take care of that. Let me check the temperature of the grill. Cut. Alright, let's check the temperature of the grill. We're looking at 350, 425, 400. So that'd be pretty good. Okay. Okay, so let's give them a few minutes to cook. And we'll check them in a minute, and we'll give them a flip. Alright, let's check these out. I think that one's ready for a flip. Oh, look at that. That is a good looking grilled cheese there. couple more minutes and I think they'll be done. Okay, they are looking beautiful. Look at that. I think 1 or 2 more seconds. Cheese is all nicely getting melted. This is going to be a treat for us. Okay, I think it's time to get these off. Turn the grill off. Okay, let's see what these look like. That sure does look good. Alright, so check that out. Alrighty, let's see what she tastes like. Pizza grilled cheese, that's fantastic. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.